Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for July 13th, 2015. Taking a look at the next few days, there are no significant fire potential impacts. Showers and thunderstorms will develop again across the northwestern and southeastern portion of the areas through about Tuesday or Wednesday, but most of these storms will be accompanied by rain. Gusty winds and low relative humidity will develop across western Utah and eastern Nevada this afternoon, tomorrow afternoon. And there is a potential for some isolated areas of critical fire weather conditions, but these will not be widespread. Taking a look at yesterday's weather, you can see portions of the northwestern and southeastern areas saw showers and thunderstorms develop. There was some lightning with these storms, as well as a bit of rain. The water vapor satellite shows a low pressure system moving into the west coast, and this will remain largely stationary over the next couple of days. Fields across the southwestern portion of the Great Basin have been drying due to the less widespread precipitation in that area. Taking a look at this afternoon, we will see some gusty winds develop across western Utah and portions of southern and eastern Nevada. We're also expecting showers and thunderstorms to develop across southern Idaho and portions of southeastern Utah. On Tuesday, the weather will remain much the same, although winds will begin to increase across the Great Basin. You can see stronger winds are forecast across western Utah and southern Nevada. Conditions will be dry, and so there is a potential for some isolated areas to see critical fire weather conditions due to the low relative humidity and gusty winds. However, these will be isolated and won't last for too long. Looking at the probability of precipitation, showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop again tomorrow afternoon, though they will not be as widespread. Moving into Wednesday, dry air continues to remain in place across portions of the Great Basin, and winds will be gusty Wednesday afternoon, though not as strong as those expected on Tuesday. Showers and thunderstorms will again develop across the higher terrain of the northwestern and southeastern portions of the Great Basin, though they will be quite isolated in nature. On Thursday, we start to see moisture increasing across the southeastern portion of the Great Basin, and that trend continues into Friday and Saturday. Currently, it looks like there is a potential for a rather significant increase in moisture across the Great Basin, across the southeastern part of the Great Basin this weekend. There's also the potential for some pretty gusty winds to develop during the same time period. Now, this is a pretty low confidence forecast, as the weather models have been going back and forth on whether this system will impact the Great Basin this weekend. Looking at the current field conditions, ERCs are below the 50th percentile across most of the Great Basin, and the Ross Point map shows that these ERCs are trending upwards. Finally, taking a look at the 8 to 14 day period, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for below normal temperatures and near average precipitation across the area. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Our contact information is on the screen. You can also find us on Twitter. Thanks.